Hello everyone. So myself Dr. Vasundhara Patil. I am a life coach, healer, counselor, and ophthalmologist by profession. So here I'm going to talk about how my this upcoming year is going to be. I make these videos around this time of year when already 6 months has passed. So since 3 years I'm making this video how my upcoming year is going to be. So you can go on the channel and check my past 3 videos and you can see how my manifestations have already come true. And I always talk about the process and how can we talk about trust in the process. That is what this journey is all about, and it's always inside you, that what you want to be, how you want to be, and how it is going to be in your life. So when you make this as your topmost priority to talk about your own journey, to talk about your progress, about your goals, dreams, then it becomes very easy, it becomes very clear for us where we are, where we want to be. So the current reality, the desired reality, the only role that remains with us to bridge the gap. Okay, so this year was always about bridging the gap between how I existed in the past and how I want to be. So here I am manifesting a lot of dreams, already achieved so many affirmations. So every time something comes true, I remind myself of the affirmations that I used to do, the power quotes which I spoke aloud in front of the mirror, and they already had come true. Okay, so few example is talking on the various platforms, sharing my knowledge, taking conducting sessions for others, then my dream home coming true. And the process is going so well, like to the point where we are really seeing it manifesting in a wonderful hands. So in between the friction was there, but for all that I kept healing myself. Whatever inside me that is not making me align to this part of the dream, I really released that, I let it go, and I manifested in a topmost manner where I am feeling easy and effortless. Okay, so but your patience is always checked, your faith is always checked. So in all those times when you are firm on your belief that this is happening for my best, everything is happening for my best, everything is working out for me, only best happens to me. So these were my course and they really worked for me in all this year when dreams were coming true. Okay, so coming to the point where what how my dream I want to, like how my this upcoming year I want to see is, let me take a deep breath. I'm tuning into the energy. It was all chaos before, but now I really want to get aligned, and I want my divine to flow through me and guide me to see all that is coming to me. I'm already paying my gratitude for all that which is coming to me. So with this faith, with this belief, with this surrender mode, here I am seeing my future. So I really am seeing all of us in the best health. Okay, with so many things coming true in our lives, what I want to see is we are in the best health, because I come to know that the health is like, more than wealth. Now the as our all of our age are growing, we all are growing in our family. I see health challenges coming up, showing up, and I feel like when our health is the best way, then we can really enjoy. Okay, so I really am seeing the best health of mine where I am exercising, I'm giving, and health means not just clean body and all. We all are feeling so good about our lives. We are fully functioning persons. Okay, so I am having a perfect 68 kg, 65 to 68 kg weight. I'm having my all organs, reproductive system to all my organs are in very wonderful health, because I was diagnosed with PCOS in the past. So that's why I said reproductive system, because I really want my menses to be regular, and I'm having very good health overall. So yes, and I'm feeling energetic, enthusiastic. I'm creating so much because so much is coming to me. I really need that perfect health where I am doing so good in all areas of my life. I'm seeing wonderful health of my husband, where he is fully functioning person. He is joyful. I'm seeing really in deep believe that both my kids are doing so good. Okay, we all are disease free, we all are medicine free. My in-laws, my parents are doing so good that they are being the best support for us for the journey ahead, because so many things are coming up, like Vasu Shanti of our new home. My brother-in-law's wedding is there, so we need our best health so that we can perform the best and joyfully. Okay, so I'm really seeing all these events are happening so well. We are so magically, joyfully, the vibrant, just like Vrinda's birthday had happened in the past, where everything was so magical, everything was felt, everyone was feeling like there is some charm in that fun event. So same way, I really want to see that it is going to happen for all the events which are upcoming, and we are feeling one with each other. So health and relationships are covered. The career, I really see myself doing wonderful. I'm conducting webinars, people are approaching me, people are, all these leads or all the people who are connecting with me, they are getting guided so very well. I'm doing wonderful job at delivering what I need to say, or what I need to speak, or what I need to deliver in a knowledge wisdom way. Okay, people are really feeling touched by the words that I speak, the posts I make, the sessions I conduct. So for everything, I'm being the channel. I'm very down to earth. I'm very being very humble as a medium or a channel of Krishna, to help others. So I'm just in that humility, just like I saw in ISKCON. So many people are so well, so wonderful in knowledge they're having and everything, but yet they are very humble. So the same way, I'm very humble. I'm very honest. I'm very authentic. Yet I'm delivering the best of the best to everyone who are in need. I am seeing myself at that level where everything is managed so well, weekly, monthly, and all the incomes are automatically growing, and we are able to handle that. All the money flow, all the flow of love, all the flow of people who are coming to me, connecting with me. I'm conducting the live events just like Shilpa did in Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai. So this is all happening. It's like, I know things can change in just few days, few weeks, or few months, and why not that be this year where things have changed in just months. And I'm really conducting the live events in PVR. I see myself conducting, like, I see my ad that is showcasing in this City Pride Chowk we have in Pune, and there is this ad of mine that I'm conducting this session for all the females, all the women, or all the people, and at this PVR, and then the ad is showing up. So I see myself like that whenever I travel in cab. I see like this ad is showing up, and I am so happy seeing that happening. And my mother, my parents, my in-laws, my all the family relatives are so happy to see my progress, because somewhere there is something inside me that I feel like people will not be so much happy with my success. So this belief is totally gone. The way clients have come, clients have transformed their lives, being in touch with me, following all that I what I say, then definitely I deserve all this success. I have suffered enough in the past, and now I deserve all this success which is coming to me. This is what actually I deserved. So I really have done good karmas to feel this way. And yes, so in career, I'm doing this. Money, automatically the Lakshmi is going to flow to me, the abundance is going to flow to me, I'm going to feel prosperous. So I'm feeling like, wow, this is what I need, this is exactly what I feel. And what more we can expect from life? God has given us a lot of the things without asking, without even asking. Yeah, one more thing I want to do is spirituality. In spirituality term, I really want to visit Tirupati Balaji Mandir with family. So that is also happening, like just very easily and effortlessly. Everything is very much planned. So in this year we have, like, I already had imagined, dreamed that we are traveling with family, and it happened with my just 6 months, 8 months, when he was growing. With my 6 months kid Harsh, I really traveled so well. It means we had gone to Kolhapur, Jyotiba. In the same way, these all travels are going to be in this year. Like we are traveling with family, and the Mundan, or we in Marathi call as Jabar. So we are doing it in the Tirupati Balaji, and we are so proud of that. We are visiting our Kuldevat, and we are visiting our. It is eventually gonna happen, I guess, in brother-in-law's wedding. It will automatically happen. Then the next thing is and travel to Vani Devi. So all the wonderful dhams we are traveling. And one more thing planned by my husband is vacation, or 7 days trip to somewhere in India or outside. Our passports are done finally. It was pending since long time, and the best thing happened in this year, it was the psychology that I did. Okay, so this was also just like I said, finally. So that really finally happened with the psychology. It was pending since long time. it was a very strong barrier was there inside me to complete my psychology degree, and I really did it. I really did it. I only know that how much resistance I had to do that, but I did it. I started with the 2 minute rule. So when I was not willing, not at all willing to write the report, I just started taking that report of somebody else. I just take it in hand and just start reading. Okay, for 2 minutes I will just hold when I was sitting with my child and all that, and it really then went in flow. Okay, so I will really request you to do that 2 minute rule where you are just sitting whatever you want to do but you are not doing. You just, like, if you want to go to gym but you are not willing to do, you just say that I will just go there, we'll sit for 2 minutes and I will come. If you're not able to read books, then you just say that I will hold this book for 2 minutes and then I'm done. Okay, it's very good trick to trick our mind, because our mind tricks us. Now we are going to trick our mind, and that's what I did and that's what I achieved. Psychology is done. I'm attending the convocation in December, I guess it will be there, and I'm really throwing that cap that in the air, and I'm seeing that happening, and it's such a proud feeling. And my Instagram followers have increased like anything. They are in millions. My YouTube followers, subscribers are in millions, and they are not just my followers or subscribers. They really want to connect with me in live events. They are really praising my work, and I really am now very much settled with the love that I'm getting. The flow of love that I'm going to get is so abundant. I'm feeling so loved, valued, respected, touched by everyone's big heart, kindness, compassion. I'm really attracting that in my life now. Enough of all the drama, chaos, and all the resistances I had in me that attracted all this. Now enough of it. I just deserve a lot of love, because I really want to give a lot of love, and I see that happening. I see that happening. I see that manifesting. This process of making video always makes me feel so grounded, so humbled. I really feel like a lot of energy is flowing through me, and I just want to sit here. I don't even want to talk. So I really request you all to do this practice anytime in your year. It's not just New Year or year end. I had started it, so I just do it in June to August, September, November, in whichever time I get. I just remind myself I need to do that video again, and I'm really feeling so fulfilled right now to see all my people who are getting connected with me, and they are saying, wow, your post, you did that time, and it really touched me. I'm not waiting others to connect with me or getting their approval, or they are, oh, the wait is over, where I'm waiting and they are then paying me. That wait is over. Okay, they are just ready with their credit cards, debit cards. You tell me the price and I'm ready to give you, because the energy you have, the way you transform, the deep knowledge you have, the wisdom you have, that's what we crave for. That is what my clients are saying, and they're ready, they're abundant. I really see that that should happen, that must happen. Everybody has money, but they are not ready to pay for the personal development. So that was my belief, or that's what I faced in my business, but now that has ended with this version of mine. Now I only am attracting clients who are so ready to pay, though they will not be having it. After paying me, they will get it from somewhere. That's what happened with me also. So they are, because they are valuing themselves, they are valuing this work, they are valuing this personal development. And I call myself personal development coach, the relationship coach, life coach, spirituality coach. And my posts are getting viral like anything. People are loving them, people are loving the captions. They are getting so connected with me. They are putting in comments that this post really touched me, this was the needed, just like I do for others. Okay, I'm really living a life of fulfillment, joy, content, peace, spirituality. I am chanting God's name. I'm feeling so good. I'm visiting God's temple every week and I'm feeling so good. We all are spiritual, we all are healing, we all are with each other. And I just thankful to all of you for being here, to witness my energy and my vibe and my journey. Because of you, I get, that I stretch myself. Like, pause. Many of When many of others say that you are inspiring, you inspire me, I just take it granted. But now it's done. No more granting. They really mean it, and I should also take it as that way, that I really have changed something in them, because many mentors have changed something in me. This journey was not easy for me. This path was not easy for me. This is something from different from the conventional practice that I would have done. So I really have put a lot of effort, and I see my clients also putting a lot of effort. They are dedicated, they committed. Today I got to connect with one of the client, and the way she was describing her journey being a doctor, what she has to face through, was so heart wrenching for me. And I really want to reach those people who are really not able to find the confidence again after going through marriage, then having kids, and then starting career is a big thing for them. And I really want to give them a hand to raise them to a level and to push them to a level where they are really ready to see their dreams coming true. And that is what I am for here, and that's what God has chosen me, I guess. So dear Lord, give me all the strength, give me all the wisdom to be in prosperous spiritual in all areas of life. May my faith, my trust in you always keep growing. Like anything, I'm not getting affected by outside situations, circumstances, or people. I'm just always focused on the journey that I want to walk through, or you had planned me for. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm blessed. Thank you. Thank you for being here, and lots of love. Bless you. So that was me, dear ones. I was really becoming sentimental, emotional, but I also wanted to remind you to take action. And you also put videos in your YouTube channel and share link with me, and tell me how was your journey. When if you are starting, if you also willing to start this making video of yours every year, do let me know. Do join my communities, and do share your breakthroughs insights there. We are all together in this. It will create a immense ripple of a joy, happiness when we are together in this. Okay, so do let me know you if you have chosen to make such a video where you are putting your dreams, desires into one single video, and which are going to manifest definitely. Okay, bye bye.